U.S. may soon unveil list of Chinese chip factories barred from receiving tech. The United States is currently in the process of compiling a list of advanced Chinese chip manufacturing facilities that will be prohibited from receiving essential tools, according to three sources familiar with the matter, as reported by Reuters on March 28th. This initiative aims to facilitate companies' efforts to restrict the flow of technology into China. One of the sources mentioned that the list might be made public within the next few months. In 2022, the Commerce Department already imposed restrictions on American companies, preventing them from exporting equipment to Chinese factories engaged in advanced chip production, aligning with U.S. national security concerns regarding Beijing's technological advancements. However, companies have expressed difficulty in identifying which factories in China produce advanced chips and have long urged the Commerce Department to publish a comprehensive list. This effort demonstrates the United States' commitment to strengthening existing chip restrictions on China, thus aiding U.S. firms in compliance efforts. The Commerce Department declined to provide comments on the matter. A spokesperson from the Chinese embassy in Washington criticized the U.S., urging them to refrain from stretching the concept of national security and abusing state power to suppress Chinese companies. U.S. officials addressed companies' requests for a list during an annual export controls conference in Washington this week. People are like, "Please just tell us which of these advanced facilities you really care about," said one official during a panel discussion. "It's probably not going to be an exhaustive listing if we can do that. But the more that we can help identify what are these facilities that we have a concern with, hopefully that's going to help," the official added.